Hello students, this is our third class on the chapter Adaptations, how plants survive. Children, in last classes we have discussed about habitat, adaptive features, adaptation and two different types of plants, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Today we are going to study about another type of plant, that is insectivorous plants. Yes children, these insectivorous plants have also some adaptive features which help them to survive on this earth's surface. Let us see what are those adaptive features. Insectivorous plants are known as carnivorous plant. Understood? Their leaves are modified and trap insects. Why? Yes, to fulfill their nutrient requirement, the leaves are modified and trap different insects. That's why these plants are known as carnivorous plants. Examples are Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, sundew, butterwort, etc. Children, these plants have chlorophyll in their leaves. These plants can synthesize their food. But to fulfill the nutrient requirement, these plants trap in different insects. In Venus flytrap plant, the leaves have long hairs. When any insect sit on those hairs, the hairs are also sticky. The two halves of the leaves close and the insect is trapped inside it. You can see the picture. The leaves are divided into two halves. When any insect sits on the hairs of the leaves or touches the leaves close immediately and the insect trap inside. Now let us see about the pitcher plant. The leaves of the pitcher plant are modified into pitchers-like structure and there is a lid on those pitchers. When any insect sits on these leaves or pitchers, the lid closes and the insect is trapped inside. Thus, they fulfill their nutrient requirement, which is lacking, which they do not get from the soil. Clear? Now come to some non-green plants. As the name suggests, non-green plants. All of you know green plants? Why plants are known as green plants? As their leaves bear chlorophyll, a green pigment, that is chlorophyll. And here the name suggests non-green plants means what? The plants have no chlorophyll. So the plants are unable to photosynthesize to prepare their food. And these plants get their food from some plants, other plants and animals. Understood? Examples are Indian pipe, coral roots, mushroom and mold. Yes children, mushroom and molds also, they get their food from some non-living things also. Understood? Molds grow on bread, stale bread, mushroom grow on straw or sand. Okay, now so students, insectivorous plants and non-green plants have also some adaptive features which help them to adapt their habitat and grow there and fulfill their nutrient requirement there. Understood? Now come to useful plants. Children, plants are useful to us in many ways. All of you know the main basic two things, that is food and oxygen. Life supporting oxygen we get from plants. First one is, let us study one by one. Children, food. Plants provide us a large variety of food, that is fruits, vegetables, vegetable oils, cereals, pulses, coffee, bean, tea, cocoa, beans, so many things we get from, so many food items we get from plants. Plants provide us a large variety of food to eat. Next one is oxygen. Children, all of you know during photosynthesis, plants breathe out or give out oxygen through their stomata, which is life supporting air for all other living beings. Understood? Now children, the third one is soaps and shampoos. Children, soaps and shampoos have vegetable oils. Understood? Which are plant products. Next one is fibers. Children, there are so many plants and trees which provide us different types of fibers. They are jute, flax, cotton and core. Yes, I will tell you about core. All of you know jute, cotton, flax. These fibers are used to make clothes, bags, mats, ropes, sacks, etc. Children, what is core fiber? The core fiber we get from coconut. Okay, coconut fiber is known as core fiber, and core fiber is also used to fill mattress and to make door mats. Understood? Now the next one, fifth one is paper. Children, the bamboo plant, the stems of bamboo plant is used to make paper. Paper is also a very important thing for you students, for all people. Okay, so the hollow stems of can is also used to make baskets, huts, furnitures and walking sticks also. Understood? Now the next one is wood. Children, we get wood from teak, shal and sesame trees. Okay, and these woods are used to make doors, windows of our houses and also different types of furnitures. Got it? Next point is paints. Paints have some substances that we also get from plants. Now come to point number 9, medicines. Different plants provide us different types of medicines. Some plants like tulsi, neem, eucalyptus, cinchona, they provide us medicines. Understood? Students, the bark of cinchona plant is used to make a medicine, that is quinine, which is used to cure malaria. Understood? Now come to the 10th point, that is dyes. Children, dyes from plants are extremely popular. They are very attractive. Henna or mehendi is used to decorating hands and color our hairs also. All of you have idea, girls have idea about decorating their hands with mehendi that we get from the leaves of henna plant. Now next one is gum. The juice of kicker plant or acacia plant is used to make gum. I think we missed one point, that is the point number 6. Children, the juice of rubber tree is used to make tires. Okay, rubber for tires. So here we have discussed some things which we get from plants. Plants provide us a large number of things. So children, all of you know again and again in science class and other also told that we have to save trees and plants as they are useful to us. They not only provide us food and life supporting oxygen, they also provide us so many things. The list is endless. Understood? So here today we have completed chapter 8. All of you read the chapter from your book properly. Okay, and try to understand this part today. In my next class, I will discuss about some more thing. Till then, all of you stay safe and healthy. Take care.